Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to Howtify. Today our topic is all about how to change work week and working hours of Calendar and Outlook. So all you have to do is open your Outlook app. Since I have mine already open, all I have to do is click the Calendar tab, which is located on the left side of your screen. As you can see, I have no schedule as of now, so all you have to do is click the File tab, which is located at the top left of your screen. In the File tab, click the Option tab located at the bottom left of your screen. In the Option tab, click Calendar located at the left side of the Option screen. In the Calendar tab, set your start time and end time, and it's up to you how to set it. As you can see, in my end, my start time is 7:30 a.m. and my end time is 5 p.m. Set your work week. For example, mine is every day because I am busy. After setting your schedule, click OK, and that's it. That's how to change work week and working hours of Calendar and Outlook. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.